Your girl got a Valentine gift. I just finished doing an unboxing video on my TikTok account. Not a, your girl got some Valentine gift. And who is excited? I am. But the shocking truth is that it's not someone that got it for me. I got it from myself to myself. Yes, and I'm super excited. Like, these people cannot pressure me. Initially, I was like, should I go for flowers, some fresh roses? Should I go for it? I even contacted some flower vendors on Instagram, and we're just going back and forth. On the second thought, I was like, this flower after 1 week. Not like I don't like it. I like flowers. I love flowers. I want to have flowers. I was like, this flower after 2 weeks or 1 week, it will start dying. I'll throw them away. But if I get myself some gifts, it might even last me up to a year or two, depending on how I manage it. And sometimes I might even end up giving it out to somebody and they'll still say thank you, God bless you. So I went ahead to like told the vendors, the flower vendors, please later I'll come back to it. And yes, I went ahead to order some other stuff and they are here. I'm going to show it to you. Long story. So this is the first one. I've already unboxed it. It comes with this blah 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 story they used to give and they are this thing. So this is the first bag. I love it. I love it so much. It's giving this yellow gold kind of color. This detailing. This bag is giving like a purse. If you're going for like O and bear, you could just decide to put this handle inside and hold it like a purse, right? And it will go. It will match. And the other some other time, if you don't want to like carry it like purse, you can. It's a shoulder bag. It's giving. It matches so well with my skin. Oh my god. And I love it. This is the bag. This is how the inside is. It's a mini bag, but I think it's spacious. It can contain everything I would like to have. Yes. So that's that about this one. Let me show you guys the second one. This is also a bag. Oh my god. Oh my god. This bag just makes me so excited. Can you see? Like, can you see this? This bag is beautiful. It's giving olive brown. Like, it's not olive color, bright olive. At the same time, it's not brown color. It's just there. I don't know what they call this color, but I love it. So this is how the bag is. I love the detail. It's also a mini bag, and I think I can go as a shoulder bag. I can take it like this. It comes with this inner purse, so you can decide to like carry either the purse inside the bag like this. But if you have like a small random errand, you can just carry this purse and put your stuff and off you go. It also comes with this longer striped hand. So that is that about the bag. You can also decide to just go like this, but I feel like this, if you are careless, you might lose your things because there is no zip inside. So you can put this and there is zip. You can put your stuff inside and it is it's still okay. Still so okay. This is the bag. Okay, that's the second one. So I've gotten two bags, and these two colors are lovely. Yes, that is that about bags. So I also got myself some pair of shoes. Yes, two. I got two. So there's this girl on TikTok. I like watching her content. So she recently showed this shoe on her page and she wore it in white. I was like automatically fell in love and I went to get mine. I saw the white, I was like, white does not really go with all the colors. Maybe it does, but I feel like black is always it for me. Like black can go with anything. So I got the black instead and I love it. I love it. I got it in size 39. Sorry, when it comes to heels, sandals, or slippers, I wear size 39, size 38. But when it comes to sneakers, I wear size 40, 41. So this is the shoe, the black shoe. And I love. I love it. Yes. What do you think? This is the second shoe. It's a gold shoe. Who does not love gold? See how it matches my skin, duh. Matches my skin so well. Like I got this sandal heel for from size 38. It's so clean. I love it. This is how it's looking like. I feel like this will match the back. What do you think, guys? It goes that this is a gold here, this is a gold. This will match. Maybe with a red dress. Oh my god, I'm already envisioning everything. Yeah, that's all I got from for myself for this Valentine. Thank you so much for watching. How did you enjoy your Valentine? Did you got a gift from someone or you got it for yourself just as I did? Don't allow someone pressure you in 2024. No grief for anybody. That's all about it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Mwah.